a book, but it's fucking sure. She knows your trauma from a photograph. Another genius doing psychopath math. One knows taxes, one knows law. One watched half a video and now knows more. Whether science, stocks, and sex. Ask one question, get 1,000 experts. They know the cure, they know the score. They know exactly who started the war. Ask any question, get 30 replies. Everybody's an expert. Hey! Football coach from his living room chair. Military genius with no fucking clue where. Nutrition guru eating fries at 3 explains exactly what you're supposed to eat. Relationship doctor married 4 times. Crypto prophet down to his last dime. History scholar never opened a page. Typing ancient wisdom in a common page range. Nobody doubts, nobody whispers, everybody shouts. Facts get boring when feelings arrive. Confidence keeps every theory alive. Caps lock on, let reason die. Source, trust me, I know a guy. 10,000 comments underneath. Everybody